What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to change this truck's tires from summer tires to winter tires. Let's go.
What are we going to do first? We need to jack up the truck.
Yes, jack up the truck. So, here?
Nope. You see the metal bar in the middle that goes across?
Yeah.
From the center of that.
There you go. So now you have to find what size socket you need. The lug nut. Can you stop sniffing me? Bigger. Perfect. The short extension is, we found it's this 7/8 size socket, and you want to go left and not right. So I'm using my pipe. Got it. Whoa. Note to self, don't go straight up. There it is. And now the other side.
Did you ever explain to people why you use the pipe?
I'm weak. If you're having trouble getting one of these off and you can't move your wrench, get a longer handle. So, now we're gonna jack it up till the tires are off the ground. Now we need the jack stand under that for safety so it doesn't squish us. Now we're gonna take those off and put those on. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Come here.
Puggle trouble.
Come here.
There. So, you're making me do this with you on? Huh? Oh, dog back. Now, move the dog. Come on. Come on. Once the dog is somewhat moved, try taking the tire off, but don't slam it on your foot.
There you go. There you go.
Ow!
You hit yourself.
It rolled onto my foot. One more obstacle for the Puggle.
All right.
No, one more. Okay, so when you have it in, make sure you put it on tight. That didn't work. Okay, when you're doing this, see how this has like a curved part? You want to put the curved part in right there. The curved part goes in. And when you are putting them on, you want to go in a star. So I'm gonna go here, then there, then there, then there, then there. And this isn't my first time doing the tires. I had to rotate them before, but it wasn't on a truck. So now we're gonna lower the front of the car so we can torque the lug nuts.
Now we gotta torque these.
Torque them?
Torque.
They have to torque?
Do you even know how the torque wrench works?
You push as hard as you can until you hear
But you have to set it to 130 foot-pounds. What he said.
Yes. You know me well. Right there. Done.
So on the top and the bottom, see how there's a screw? The top and the bottom need to line up with these holes.
See that hole? That has to line up with that. So
It's screwing in, and you go
go and see the Puggle?
We have 2 more tires to do. You forget about that? Not to
Do
mention.
we?
Yes.
Do we really?
Yeah, there's 2 back there.
Wait, so it has to go that way.
Yep. Rotation. And then we have to check the air in these and make sure they're pumped up.
It's pumped up.
It's not high.
So, I didn't really mention this before, but that has to fit into that. So.
Whoops, falling down. Thanks for the help on the hard part.
Ow. Banana, dun 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 dun. Okay, now you have to fill the tires with air. The proper tire pressure. That's a tongue.
The whole time you say
That's a tongue twister right there. The proper tire twister. Proper tire twister. Twist.